Hello, look what I have here. Next to me, to my shop, there is a construction company. And we found the guy who fixes computer. Let's bring to him this kind of guys. So let's see what's going on with this. So this one, they gave me a battery also, test. Yeah, the light is blinking, it's dim, it's not solid. Yeah, and as you move the battery, somehow some contacts might be broken here. So let me open up this. We have a problem here. And we will use a straight screwdriver carefully, because this is a Torx screw. It's very hard. Let's check this. Be careful with this because there is a high voltage area here. So let's check the main bulk capacitor, which is this one. And the contacts are these two. And it's empty. Or it's not empty, it's dropping. So be careful with this. Okay, let's investigate these contacts. I think there is a broken contact here. Yeah, let me show you with a microscope. So let's investigate this. So, as you can see here, this contact is broken. Let's see the other ones. This also seems broken. So let's retouch every one of them. We put some flux. soldering iron, solder wire. Let's start. I have adjust the temperature to 450 degrees and let's begin. It takes a few seconds for the solder iron to warm up. We are done, so let's warm up this area. Nice. Let's melt the old solder. Nice. Let's proceed with the other ones. Nice. Nice. These are probably ground pads, the big ones. We need more here. Let me show you. Yeah. So let's redo the first one, which was totally broken. Yes. All right. So let's clean up. Let's investigate again. Let's see. This is good. 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 Oh. I think we are okay. Let's clean up more. We're good to go. Let's clean up the case a little bit. Wait a second. My brush here. All right. So let's put it down. Okay, it goes like this. All right. And this one goes like this. Okay, so let's test. We have a firm connection. The battery is charging, blinking, and it works perfectly. All right, so we have 2 more to go. I think they have the same problem because the guys who work in the construction company usually don't pay attention on this device. They throw them away. You know, it's a construction business and they do a lot of work and they mishandle this kind of tools. So the other 2 might have the same problem. If I find anything different, I will upload a new video, but I think they have the same problem. So that was a short video just to show you what kind of problem these devices may have, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.